Beko washing machine, model number WTK104121W. Received today by Curry's Superstore. Kilo is 1 to 10 kilograms. Perfectly fine, all the functions there. You have the timer there and the programs and everything. You have also have the filter there, just in case you need to unblock it. But other than that, it's a Beko washing machine. A lot of people are saying that you can't put it on cold wash, but this is the temperature button around right here. You drop that down till it goes blank, there's nothing there, and you can have cold wash in it as well, so it's not a problem. Any questions, drop me a message at the bottom. I'll get back to you ASAP. Thank you very much for watching.